Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, my name is Priya. I'm so excited to film this video today, guys, because about a month ago, a company called Just4Kira sent out 4 pairs of colored contact lenses to me just to try on.
Tell them what your name is.
So those of you guys who may know me personally know that I used to wear, long ago, colored contact lenses. But I only used to wear like blues and stuff. Now that I'm a little bit older and kind of out of that little phase, I do wear clear colored contact lenses just because I have vision issues and they are prescription. It's been a while. I haven't really tried on any other colors except for blue. I was so excited when they reached out to me and they wanted me to try out their products. So this is a Korean brand and everything was shipped out to me. I think I got it in about 2 days. I was super impressed with the shipping. When I opened up the box, I was even more surprised because the packaging is just adorable for these contact lenses. So cute. And this packaging is just adorable. With each pair of contact lenses, they also sent out a little contact carry case like this. So let me open this one up for you guys just to show you. It's clear, which I actually love that it doesn't have the funky like blue-green like caps. To me, that's just a little tacky. It does say right and left on the bottom here. So you just open it up and they give you 2 tools in here to apply your contact lenses. One is like this little tweezer with some rubber grips on it to grab it. And the other is like this little plunger tool, maybe to just grab the contact out of the case and apply, or maybe to move around, I'm not sure. I personally, when applying contact lenses, I've been wearing them for over 10 years. I don't use any tools because I like to say I'm a little bit of a professional at this point. I don't even need a mirror sometimes. I can just like literally take it out with my fingers. I'm probably not going to use these tools, but the fact that they include them in your little kit is a plus. The 4 colors that I chose were Sitha Grey, SL70 Blue, Crystal Green, Asa Grey. So I wanted to have a little bit of a variety. Like I wanted some gray, some blue, some greens, because like I said, years ago, I only have tried on blue. So I'm so excited. And I hope I pronounced all those names correctly. I will put them in the description box. Right now, I am not wearing any colored eye contacts. This is my natural brown color. So let me take out my clear contacts and then let's get started. So the first one I'm gonna try on is Crystal Green. All right, guys, I have on Crystal Green. I'm sorry, my eyes are just a little watery, but these look so natural. They don't look fake at all. Wow, I'm really surprised. I didn't know that they would look this good. I wanted to do like a neutral kind of warm eye look today just because I didn't want to pull any, greens or blues through my eyeshadow. I just wanted it to be like all neutral kind of. But yeah, I think these greens really look nice. And I feel like they really covered up my brown eyes. What do you guys think? Once again, that was Crystal Green. Next, let's do the SL70 Blue. Okay, here we have SL70 Blue. Wow, and you guys, they're like literally, I can't even tell that I have brown eyes underneath. They cover it so well. It's so opaque, and I feel like, I don't know, in the past, my contact lenses used to have like this little pixelated look on them that kind of looked like they were computer generated or something. These don't have that. They're just like solid colors and it just looks so natural and so nice. What do we think about the blue, guys? I haven't worn blue contacts since like almost close to 10 years ago. Like that was the last time I wore blue. So this is so weird, but I don't know. I might have to continue wearing these. How easy is it to just like change your look though? Like, what do we think, guys? I think I could get away with this though. This one is called, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Asa Grey. And keep in mind, guys, these are prescription, the ones that I have. They also, you can make them, you know, just for fashion lenses too with no prescription. My prescription is not this high typically, but I do have astigmatism. So because they don't make astigmatism contact lenses, they just upped the power by 1 to compensate for the astigmatism. This is, like I said, Asa Grey. This is by far the most natural, I think, that I picked out. It's very subtle. It had a little bit of hazel in the rim, and then it had like gray on the outside. So here, let me get a close up. This is so nice. Just for like every day, I feel like I could get away with this. And it doesn't look too fake. I would wear this every day. So nice. And I can see out of these, which is a huge plus. Each of these contact lenses have a 1-year expiration date. And the last one that I have never tried on, never worn, they're still in the box, is the Sitha Grey. So I will unbox these with you guys. So here's what they look like. It says color Mirage, or Mirage color. You've got your prescription on here, the color, Sitha Grey, and then the expiration. So this is what they look like. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's pop these out and let me take out my other gray lenses. I'll be right back. Whoa, these are so different. Okay, this last one, sorry guys, my eyes are watering, so I'm kind of like sniffling just to get to control my tears. Don't get me wrong, guys. It's just, I've taken the contacts on and off like 4 or 5 times, so that's why. But this is Sitha Grey, and it did have like a darker rim around the edge, I guess to make it look more natural. But literally, I feel like a vampire right now. But isn't it crazy how you can just literally switch up your look in a matter of like 2 steps? Just changing your eye color can literally, you know, recreate your entire look. How cool and how easy and how simple is that? You don't have to change your hair color or anything, just contacts. What do we think about this, guys? It's supposed to be a gray. Wow, these are really intense. Oh my gosh. Whoa, these are so intense, but they look really, really real. All right, guys, that was it for my Just4Kira colored contact lens haul. This is the company name, that's how you spell it. These were sent to me for free to review for you guys. I did try them, wear them for about a few weeks now. It's been about 3 weeks since I received them in the mail. So I've been wearing them here and there, and they're super comfortable. You can get them without prescription or with prescription. They have such a huge variety on their website. I'll link everything down below. I also have a 20% off code if you guys would like to use that just to save some of your coins and try some of these out, because this is like the new trend right now, like just to recreate your look and recreate yourself easily at home without any commitment. You know, that's a big one. There's no commitment with these. If you just don't like the color, use them for Halloween or something. That's probably what I'm gonna do, especially with like that icy blue one. Like, I'd like to use that for Halloween. I think that'd be good. I just love these. Like, just changes up your makeup look. Like, you can, you know, do your makeup around your eye color and, you know, use certain colors to make your eye color pop. Or you can wear, you know, different color outfits to make your, you know, eye color pop. It's just, I mean, the possibilities are endless. You guys have any questions for me? Leave them down below. I always try to reply to everyone that I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.